So currently I'm running some tests on the car, the 250 I bought about 3 weeks ago now, maybe a month almost, and everything seems to be running fine. I really love the car. My wife loves the car. We cruise from Temecula, California. We always take it to Fallbrook. We have a property over there, so it's a very pleasant drive. I love the back road, Rainbow Canyon. We just take it all the way up to Mission Road, and then from there we go down Green Canyon Road. So it's the car is very pleasant to drive. It's just, it's really like taking a step back in time. But I noticed the engine has like kind of a rough idle. You can hear it now. Everything runs fine. It's got the water temperature is good, and the oil pressure seems a little low. So I'm going to add some oil or get an oil change done. But the problem is, it's hard to find. Babies here. It's hard to find a mechanic who deals with these sort of cars in the North County of San Diego, or southern Riverside County. But yeah, the car's been a blast to drive. We've driven it many times. I prefer to drive this than any other car I have. But if I have my kids, I can't really take the car, right? I have to take either the truck or the newer car. But you can see, you can hear the engine sounds a little rough. And so I tested the spark plugs, and I think I found why it's doing this. It's this engine spark plug here. See if I take it off and on, I can see that there is electrical current going through it. But that last one there, I think is either not sparking due to the spark plug, or something's wrong with the cylinder there. But I'm pretty sure it's just the spark plug. And I'm going to get it changed, and then I'll see what happens there. But other than that, everything else is running fine. I mean, the car is great. It's very economical, when you're considering that it's dual carburetor engine. And considering that, that's it.